Hi guys, so today I thought I will show you my everyday makeup routine. All this beauty is not natural, unfortunately. I've been lying to you guys. I just took a shower, so my hair is all wet. I think one of the most frequently requested videos would be this, like my everyday makeup routine. But I never thought it was that important because I thought that, everyone almost does the same things. But then I was talking to a friend recently and she was like, oh, I like the way that you do your blush placements. And I was like, okay, I thought everyone did it the same way. And then some other instances happened and I realized that everyone might follow the same steps, but everything is like a little more personalized, There are like a little tweaks here and there to suit what, their preferences and what looks good to them on their face. We are in my living room right now. This is like a new setup because my friend is over and she's using the room to change and get ready for the festival that we're going to today. That's why I was like, let's just do a quick video. My actual everyday makeup routine, that would be like with this sunscreen, some tint on my cheek and my nose and some on my lips, and that's it. And maybe a liner if I'm like feeling a little extra that day. That's my everyday makeup routine. But this is more of a like if I was going out and I had to put in like a little bit more effort, so I'd be doing this. So generally I just apply the sunscreen and then work on my base, but since I'm working with Maybelline on something and they sent me some of the products, so this primer also came along with it, and I really want to try it, so I'm gonna try it out. But generally I don't really wear a primer unless I am doing like a shoot or I'm gonna go out and I want my base to look very nice and flawless and the pictures to come out nice and for the makeup to stay like for a little bit longer. That's the only time that I use a primer. So this is the matte primer, and because I have like oily skin, this could work out pretty well, just targeting all my face zones. Sometimes I also like to use this Gush Glow Getter Illuminating Moisturizer because it gives me like a nice glow and like a nice natural looking highlight. I just applied on like this cheekbone area and like a little on my eyes. I really want to do like a Vogue Beauty Secret kind of video, but my bathroom has like kind of bad lighting, so I was just like, next time. And then I like to go ahead with some concealer. I am not the biggest fan of doing a heavy base, so mostly you'll just see me using a concealer and sunscreen as my base. Just applied under eye, my dark spot, a little bit here, my chin, nose area. Definitely. I've only used like Maybelline and L'Oreal for concealers. So when I went back home, I used my sister's Too Faced concealer, which was really thick and gave like really good coverage, but it just felt too thick on my skin. I like a really light concealer because I can not do with a heavy base. I feel like I just sweat a lot and I just feel like really uncomfortable. Cheeks are really cheeking today. Is it looking so gulugappu? But yeah, so I just use a concealer for my under eye and my like dark spots, like acne spots or whatever. And then I just kind of go over my whole face with the leftover product on the brush. I like using a brush instead of a blender because I feel like it's much more faster because I'm always in a hurry and I'm always late, and like I'm late right now also. It's easier to spread the product with a brush, I feel like. Now I don't know if this counts as a beauty secret or not, but I have not used a blush, like a proper blush, since such a long time. I've been using water tints for the past 2-3 years simply because it feels so light on the skin and it stays for such a long time, dude. Like I cannot even begin to tell. What I do is I just apply this. Yeah, I don't apply it here. I try to apply it as close as I can to my eyes so that my face looks a little lifted. I don't know if it actually works, but I've seen a few videos on blush placement and I think it should work. But I love the way that it makes me look so alive and rosy and beautiful. Like I love blush so much. I always overdo it. We like to look like we're full of life. We're trying to be full of life. I've tried cream blushes also, but I feel like they feel too heavy and too sticky. And the water-based tints just work so perfectly, so I don't think I'm going back. If I had to choose like one product that I couldn't live without, it would be this tint. And I also like to use this one by Body Shop because the Benetint one I feel like is too expensive, and this gives the same results and works out pretty well for me. I can buy like 3 of these in what I would get like the Benefit one for, and since I use it like every day, I do run out of it pretty quickly. So this is like very pocket friendly for me, and I don't really have any reaction to it, Like this, it just looks so innocent and power. Now for my liner. So this is also something that I get asked about quite a lot, like how do I do my liner. So I'm just gonna zoom in on my eye for this. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done. I hate that so much, but it's fine. So as you can see, my eyes are pretty small. They're not, I don't know if they're hooded or not, but they're like, can't really see a lot of my lid. I only do the wing for the liner. I don't end up doing like a whole line here because it makes my eyes look even smaller. And if I just do like the wing, it makes my eyes look like longer and makes it feel like it's a part of my eye, you know. Voila. I don't know, this eyeliner is kind of not happening today, but it's okay. Anyway, then I move on to mascara. I don't like using mascaras a lot because I feel like they really dry out my lashes and damage them, because generally I don't really end up taking them out properly. So it kind of stays on while I sleep, which is not the best when I'm really lazy. So that's why I just try to avoid mascaras generally. But if I'm in a mood to look a little extra, I will go ahead and use some mascara because it makes your eyes look really good, and I feel like the whole look just kind of comes together. I'm going to try to apply an equal amount on my lower lash line too, so that it looks like pretty even and nice. And then I'm gonna go ahead with some powder. I'm gonna apply like really little with the same brush that I used for concealer because I am lazy. This is like an eyeshadow pencil from Miniso, but it works so well as a blush. It's kind of like a little creamy because I don't like powder highlighters. I only like liquid stuff because it blends easily and looks like more nicer. I don't know. I just feel like I like it better. I need to invest in a good liquid highlighter. Like it's about time. And now for the most important step, my lips. I end up using a lot of products on my lip. I always apply a lip balm before starting my makeup, and then I kind of like dab it out by kissing my hand. And then I just take a little bit of this tint and apply it all over my lips, so that even if my lipstick comes off, there's something on my lips, you know. I also feel like blush works like contour for your face, you know. I like to go ahead with this lip liner. Hello, I'm switching to a voiceover because there was too much background noise, but basically I like to define my lips with a brown lip liner. I generally go for a dark brown one. This one is by K Beauty. It kind of breaks midway after you sharpen it a lot, so I wouldn't really recommend buying it, but it lasts for a really long time, so that's kind of like a dilemma. But I just use it to define my lips. I overline my lips just a little bit, but honestly my whole makeup game has changed after I discovered how important it is to line your lips. So this is a sign to go and start using a lip liner. Then I just go ahead with a lighter shade of lipstick, maybe with a pink or brown undertone. And this one is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so creamy. I love the color. This is actually my first luxury makeup product purchase, so I love it so much. And with the lip liner, it just looks perfect for my skin tone. But since this is creamy, it can come off pretty easily, so I like to go ahead with this liquid matte lipstick by Nykaa, which is very light. And since it's brown, it kind of tones down the whole lipstick and makes it look more natural. I just kind of dab it all over my lips, and that's it. That's my go-to makeup routine. I think calling this my go-to makeup routine would make more sense than calling it my everyday makeup routine, because I don't wear that much makeup on a daily basis, and I don't think anyone else should. Also, let your skin breathe. Sometimes you just gotta step out with your bare face because it feels really good. I'm gonna do my hair now, and since I'm going out, I might as well show you guys the rest of how I'm getting ready. I'm just turning into like a get ready with me. So first I apply some leave-in conditioner. I apply it generously all over my hair, and then I kind of section it, and then I spray some heat protection spray, and I am using this new Dyson multi-styler. I just use the brush to straighten my hair, and then I kind of use the hairdryer to dry the top section of my hair. Then I use the brush again to straighten the rest of my hair, and then once I was done, I just ran the brush all over my hair to get any of the spots that I might have missed before. And this is how the final look looks like. This is how the makeup looks like in daylight. This is what I'm wearing. Wait, I'm wearing these green pants. I love this earring. I improvised a little on with my earrings. This necklace is so nice. And then I completed the whole look with this white corset, which someone commented looks like a towel, but it looks really good on me, and I absolutely love wearing it. It's really comfortable. So that's how I look like. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want to watch anything else, if you have any ideas. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Love you. See you.